This magnificently remodeled second floor and unit coach home has an expansive uninterrupted lake and golf course view and #X 2013, one of the best in Shadow Wood. The recent renovation transformed the residence into an appealing, bright and airy living space, with no expense spared. It shows like new construction and #X 2019. Soaring volume and tray ceilings accent the enlarged living space that integrates the living room, dining room, huge kitchen and a new stormproof Florida room created from the lanai, increasing the AC square footage. Walls were removed, doors enlarged, crown molding added and lighting enhanced. New floors, appliances, cabinets, countertops, ceiling fans, paint and plantation shutters. The kitchen and bathrooms were completely renovated, with premium materials used. The residence has 3 bedrooms, one of which is a large flex room, 2 bathrooms and a laundry room. AC new 2013. West/heater new 2017. Reverse osmosis and amp, instant on hot water. This is truly a spacious and stunning coach home, completely renovated and #X 2026, a quiet in unit with open green space to the side and no near building structure and #X 2026, with one of the best views in Shadow Wood. You must see this one of a kind appealing residence.